Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi and Bluetooth because the phone needs local discovery. This is how your TV and phone see each other. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network so latency stays low and streams stay stable. Now open Settings, tap Connection and Sharing, then tap Cast. You should see available devices. If not, keep the cast screen open while you prepare the TV for pairing. You pick the TV name from the cast list. This initiates a direct link using Miracast or the phone's built-in protocol. Next, make sure you accept any pairing prompt shown on the TV. This confirms the connection and prevents random casting. Then grant the phone permission to capture your screen when prompted. Without this, the system blocks mirroring for privacy. With permissions granted, the phone encodes and streams your display to the TV in real time. You should now confirm the mirrored image on the TV and check orientation and resolution. Adjust them in the phone or TV settings to reduce lag. If performance feels choppy, close background apps and reduce screen brightness to free resources. To end, use the quick settings cast tile or return to settings connection and sharing cast and tap stop. If mirroring fails, reboot the TV, restart the phone, and rejoin the same Wi-Fi network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.